Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to use the flashlight feature on your Apple Watch. Now of course the Apple Watch does have a built-in flashlight, and of course it is used to actually light up areas that are dark, and it actually works. Now unlike before on devices such as your iPhone 17 Pro Max where the LED flash is used, on the watch the display is used, and the display does get pretty bright. And of course, let me show you how to activate the flashlight. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and we're going to press the main home button here, and of course let me unlock. All right, so go ahead and press the main button. Now of course you can scroll through the options as seen here, and as you look through you should see the flashlight icon. Now go ahead and tap, and of course this is what it's going to look like. You have more than one option. You have a strobe light, plain light, so strobe, and of course here's this red one. All right, so as soon as you do that, you can simply go ahead, and it doesn't go immediately bright to protect your eyes. All right, so as you can see it gets pretty bright, but there's a delay, especially when it detects your face. So keep it away from your face so it doesn't want to flash you. So when it starts out, it's very dim, so you might think it's not very good. It's actually quite good. So make sure when it starts initially, when you tap, simply go ahead and turn your wrist away from your face and towards what you want. So as you can see, this room is lit, but of course you can see the light there, so it gets pretty bright. All right, so remember that's how it works, and remember to keep it away from your eyes. Once you tap, once you turn it to where you want, it will actually do a very good job. When you want to exit, you can actually go back. All right, so hit this here, and of course you can press the crown. Once you press the crown, it will go back to normal. All right, so the flashlight feature is pretty useful on your Apple Watches. Works for all Apple Watches. And of course, if in case you were wondering how it works, or if you have tested it out and wonder why it's so dim, it only gets bright when you turn it away from your face and towards what you want to prevent you from being flushed. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.